Have you ever wondered what business in the financial industry really is? This question often stirs up an array of thoughts, from the dazzling skyscrapers of Wall Street to the intricate world of stocks and bonds. Yet the financial industry, in its broadest sense, is so much more. It's a vast network that fuels economies worldwide, a vital cog in the machinery of global commerce. For the business enthusiast, a grasp of this industry is not merely an option, but a necessity. It's akin to understanding the rules of the game before stepping onto the playing field. It's about knowing the terrain before embarking on a journey. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned business person, or simply a curious mind, the financial industry holds the keys to many doors. So buckle up and prepare for an enlightening ride. In the upcoming minutes, you'll have a clearer understanding of what business in the financial industry truly entails. To begin with, what do we mean when we say financial industry? It's a term that gets thrown around a lot, but let's break it down to its core. The financial industry, in its broadest sense, is a sector of the economy made up of firms and institutions that provide financial services to commercial and retail customers. This industry plays a crucial role in our economy, acting as the backbone that supports the financial needs of individuals, corporations, and governments. It is the oil that keeps the economic machine running smoothly, facilitating transactions, managing risk, and providing a platform for investments. Diving a bit deeper, the financial industry can be broken down into several main sectors. Firstly, we have banking. This sector is what most people think of when they hear the term financial industry. Banks provide a safe place to store money, offer loans to businesses and individuals, and facilitate transactions. Secondly, we have the insurance sector. This sector is all about managing risk. Insurance companies provide a safety net for individuals and businesses, protecting them from unexpected financial losses. The third main sector is investment. This includes everything from stock brokerages and mutual funds to hedge funds and private equity. These organizations help individuals and businesses grow their wealth by investing in various financial instruments. These sectors don't operate in isolation. They all interact and intersect in various ways, creating a complex and interconnected web. Each sector plays a unique and vital role in maintaining the overall health and stability of the economy. So the financial industry is more than just a collection of banks and insurance companies. It's a dynamic and vital part of our economic infrastructure, influencing everything from the jobs we have, the homes we buy, to the retirements we plan. Now that we have a basic understanding of the financial industry, let's delve deeper into the business aspect. So what are these businesses that operate within the financial industry? Let's dive right in. First, we have the big players, the banks. Traditional banks, credit unions, and savings and loans associations are all part of this category. They are the ones that keep our money safe, provide loans for everything from homes to education, and offer a variety of other financial services. Without banks, our economy would look drastically different. Next up are insurance companies. These businesses provide a safety net for individuals and corporations alike. Whether it's insuring your car, your health, or your multi-million-dollar business, insurance companies play a crucial role in managing risk and providing financial security. Then we have investment firms. These businesses work with individuals and other companies to help them grow their wealth. From mutual funds to hedge funds, these firms manage large pools of money and use their expertise to invest in a variety of assets. They play a crucial role in the economy by helping to allocate capital to the most productive uses. Last but definitely not least, we have financial technology companies, often referred to as fintechs. These are the new kids on the block, using technology to disrupt traditional financial services. Think mobile banking, peer-to-peer lending, or digital payments. These companies are reshaping the way we interact with money and are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the financial industry. Each of these types of businesses has its own unique role and function within the financial industry. They all help to keep the wheels of the economy turning, providing essential financial services to individuals, businesses, and governments. Whether it's through providing loans, insuring against risk, helping to grow wealth, or innovating new financial solutions, these businesses are integral to our financial system. So, when we talk about businesses in the financial industry, we're talking about a diverse group of companies, each playing a vital role in our economy. These businesses are the lifeline of the financial industry, providing the services and products we use daily. But what role do these businesses play within the financial industry? This question nudges us to truly understand the impact financial businesses have on our daily lives and the broader economy. First, let's consider businesses that manage investments. These are entities like mutual funds, hedge funds, and pension funds. By pooling resources from many investors, these businesses can invest in a wider range of assets than an individual could on their own. In doing so, they not only generate returns for their investors, but also provide capital to businesses and governments, driving economic growth and development. Next, we have businesses that provide loans, such as banks and credit unions. These institutions play a critical role in the financial industry by making capital accessible to individuals, businesses, and governments. Whether it's a home loan enabling someone to become a homeowner, a business loan helping an entrepreneur start a new venture, or a government loan funding public infrastructure, these loans are key drivers of economic activity. Insurance companies are another important type of business in the financial industry. They allow individuals and businesses to manage risk by providing a financial safety net against unforeseen events. This can range from health insurance covering medical expenses to business insurance protecting against operational losses. These services not only offer peace of mind but also contribute to economic stability by preventing financial ruin in the face of unexpected events. Finally, let's not forget about businesses that facilitate transactions. These encompass a wide range of entities, from traditional banks enabling money transfers to fintech companies offering digital payment solutions. By ensuring the smooth flow of funds from one party to another, these businesses are the lifeblood of commerce, both locally and globally. In essence, businesses in the financial industry are the backbone of our economic system. They enable the flow of capital, manage risk, and facilitate transactions. They create opportunities for growth and development and provide a safety net against unforeseen circumstances. It's clear that these businesses play a pivotal role in the financial industry, impacting not just our personal finances but the economy as a whole. Why should we care about these businesses in the financial industry? Now that's a question worth pondering. Let's delve into the profound impact these businesses have, not only on individuals but also on the broader economic landscape. The financial industry stands as a cornerstone of job creation. It extends beyond the bankers and brokers you may first envision. Think about the auditors, compliance officers, data analysts, and a plethora of other roles. These businesses foster an ecosystem of employment that fuels economies across the globe. It's easy to overlook this aspect, but the ripple effect of job creation in the financial industry is indeed substantial. Now consider the role these businesses play in wealth management. They serve as the architects of financial prosperity, helping individuals and corporations alike to grow their wealth. Through investment advice, asset management, and strategic planning, these businesses empower us to navigate the complex world of finance. They allow us to make informed decisions, whether it's buying a house, planning for retirement, or even launching a startup. But the importance of these businesses extends even further. They are the pillars of economic stability. By regulating financial transactions, managing risks, and ensuring the smooth flow of capital, they help maintain the balance in our economy. In times of financial uncertainty, these businesses are the ones that step up, implementing strategies to mitigate risks and stabilize the market. If we take a step back, we can see how these businesses act as the gears in the machine that is our global economy. Their operations are intertwined with almost every aspect of our lives, from the salaries we earn to the prices we pay for goods and services. So, the next time you think about the financial industry, remember that it's more than just a network of banks and brokerage firms. It's a dynamic, vital system that drives job creation, manages wealth, and ensures economic stability. As you can see, the businesses in the financial industry are not just important, they are essential. So, now that we've covered the basics, let's quickly recap. We started off by defining the financial industry, a vast and dynamic sector that manages money, including companies involved in banking, insurance, and investments. We then delved into the various types of businesses within this industry, each playing a unique role. Banks, for instance, offer a safe place to store money and access credit, while insurance companies protect against financial losses. Investment firms, on the other hand, help individuals and businesses grow their wealth. We also emphasized the profound impact these businesses have, not just on the economy, but on our day-to-day lives. They facilitate transactions, provide financial security, and foster economic growth. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to navigate the world of finance. Remember, understanding the financial industry is a stepping stone towards financial literacy and success.